In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clipping server Whop. By the end, you'll have a clean, ready-to-share product page set up on Whop, using their built-in tools to present your offering and onboard your audience smoothly. First, head over to Whop's home feed. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the option to start a business. Click that to begin. This takes you into Whop's business creation flow, where you'll set the foundation for everything that follows. You'll land on a page to create a business, and from here you'll see a few different setup paths. Whop gives you three choices: create with AI, create from a URL, or create from scratch. For a clean, controlled setup, choose create from scratch. This ensures every detail reflects exactly what you want to offer. Type in a clear business name that matches your clipping server brand or niche. Keep it simple, descriptive, and easy to recognize. This name will appear across your dashboard and customer-facing areas. When you're happy with the name, click Create. Whop will spin up your business workspace and send you straight to the dashboard where you can add your first product. On the left sidebar, click Products. Then click Create Product. This opens your product builder. Start with the basics. Type in the product name, then write a compelling headline that quickly communicates value. Think who it's for and what they'll get. If you want help crafting the headline, you can click the built-in AI option to generate suggestions, then tweak the wording until it fits your voice. Next, decide whether you need to collect a shipping address. If your clipping service is entirely digital, you can leave this off. If you plan to send any physical merch or kits, you can enable shipping address collection right here, so Whop gathers it at checkout. Move down to pricing, you'll see two choices: free access or paid access. Free access is perfect for a public sample, a community gateway, or a waitlist. Paid access is ideal once you're ready to monetize. For this walkthrough, choose free access so anyone can join. If you want to control demand, you can also launch as a waitlist, which lets people register interest before you fully open. Review your plan settings to confirm details like plan name and access parameters. Everything you change will feed into the final experience. Keep an eye on the product preview on the right side of the screen. It updates as you go, so you can catch typos and layout issues before publishing. When your core details look good, click Next to proceed. You're now on the Included Apps step. This is where you attach the features your customers will actually use. Click Add New App and pick what supports your clipping server. You might add forums to foster community discussions, courses if you deliver tutorials or onboarding paths, or other tools that match how you work. Add as many as you need to deliver the experience you promise. When you're done selecting apps, click Next to continue. Now, add your media. Click Add a video or photo, choose a strong thumbnail or a quick product teaser from your device, and click Open to upload. Clear visuals help visitors immediately understand what you offer and build trust before they click Join or Buy. With your media in place, review the preview one last time to ensure the name, headline, pricing choice, and attached apps look right. When everything is ready, click Save Product. Whop will confirm that your product has been created and return you to your products list. From the confirmation view, click Copy Link to grab your product's shareable URL. This is the link you'll use on social posts, in your bio, or anywhere your audience discovers you. Finally, click Done to close out the workflow. That's it. Your clipping server product is live and linked, with a clean setup, clear headline, the right access model, and the apps your audience needs. If you want to refine it later, you can return to products to edit details, adjust pricing, or add more apps as your offering grows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.